Hello, today I'm stitching a beautiful pansy, joining in Corrine and Susanna's project called Botanical Beauties. I found this Botanical Beauties prompt irresistible. So let's make Botanical Beauties part of what I'm already doing. This is my little bag where I keep all the things I need to make mini quilt-as-you-go hexagons. It's a great place to practice different stitches and have fun while using up fabric scraps and scraps of wadding left over from quilting projects. I draw the mini hexagons in erasable pen on plain fabrics and can take this tiny little project on the go with me, stitching on the train. Here are 6 that I did recently on the train. I'll use this plain scrap of nylon ribbon to become my pansy. I'm going to use watercolour paints to paint it up in an ombre effect like this ribbon, and then I'll be gathering the ribbon up to form the petals of the pansy. And I've just used watercolour paint. So first I did a really watery wash along the edge, and that's how far it ran. And then I came back and did a more intense colour, so I put much less water. And the back fabric, I did a bit of a wash of green in the middle, and then I just used water around the outer rim to let it sort of spread out. Let's draw the hexagon back on, because of course it washed out when I watercoloured it. Okay, so we need some thread. Simply going to do a running stitch along this edge. Alright, so I just did that by eye. That is 2 inches, 5 centimetres. Let's make the other one the same size. My inspiration photo today came from a nursery's website, a garden store. I'll link it into the description box. And the post was entitled Pansies 10 Fun Flower Facts. So if you'd like to know 10 fun flower facts or see my inspiration photo, go along and have a look at the website listed below. It sort of forms a bit of an arc. It's sort of like a tongue shape. Well, that's cute. Sort of almost like a love heart shape. I think one more. Okay, so now it has this little triangle of fluffy bits. I guess it entice the insects. Is it how it gets the pollen off the insect's legs or something? I don't know. Edge of the yellow. Oh, easy. And forms a triangular shape. Lose the ends in here. That will keep it well secure. Laterals have got 4, and the anterior's got about 9. I don't know if we'll get that many on. Let's start with the anterior ones. Right, that ended up not quite in the centre, so that can be to here. Go again to try and get the centre. Shane, why don't we go this way? And they go up a bit higher as well. I think just one more. Okay. Oh, maybe I can do 4. One here. One out there. And then some little ones. little one. And a little one. And come up a bit higher. One more short one. One little pansy finished. Well, thank you very much for watching, everyone, and if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe to see more. Stay tuned next week and I'll show you how to turn this into a little quilt-as-you-go hexagon ready to piece together.